The weather has fluctuated this month from warm, dry, sunny days to extremely cold and frozen to snow-covered. The ice on the pond has been particularly thick, but we have been able to keep the aerators running and the fish happy, even catching glimpses of them as they swim under the aerator holes. We keep the waterfall running all year, including the winter month, to aerate the water with oxygen for the fish. The sparrows really enjoy the waterfall since it's probably their only source of water for the winter. Mourning doves enjoy it too. Our Cavalier King Charles Spaniel Franklin recently discovered that he can walk on the pond, so we have to keep him in the house now. We wouldn't want to be fishing him out of that frozen water, so no more chasing rabbits for Franklin until the pond has thawed. Since the weather has been so changeable, the sparrows are not wasting any time claiming their digs for the spring. These guys are playing the south-facing house that we can see from our family room. And these guys are checking out the north-facing house that really catches the attention of passerby from the sidewalk. And these sparrows have claimed the most secluded house on the south side. Our woodpeckers visit every day at the same time, and they don't let the sparrows bully them. We've had a bat house mounted on the back of our garage for a few years, with no luck attracting them so far. They can eat thousands of mosquitoes each night. If anyone has any tips on how to attract bats, please leave a comment. Even with this cold weather, a sure sign that spring is coming are the hellebores. Always the first perennial to bloom, probably by the end of this month. Although the Midwestern winters can be brutal, we really enjoy so many days filled with sunshine. It's quite a contrast from England, where winter days seem to be constantly overcast. The wind chimes make this one of our favourite parts of the garden, where we've placed a small table and chairs to give us the perfect spot to enjoy them. The music accompanying this video was made partly by recording these wind chimes. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you in March.